Hello, welcome to South Yarra BMW. My name is Grant and I'm one of the product geniuses here at the dealership. This is our third instalment of the how-to video series. Today, we're going to focus on the Tyre Repair Kit fitted in this X1 20i. With a Tyre Repair Kit, minor tyre damage can be quickly sealed to allow you to continue your journey to the nearest town for assistance. For this purpose, liquid sealant is pumped into the tyre, which seals the tyre from the inside when it hardens. In the X1, the Tyre Repair Kit is located under the boot floor, but may be found in different locations depending on the vehicle. Please note that the system will only repair tyre damage up to 4mm and only in the tread of the tyre and not the sidewall. Any foreign body that has penetrated the tyre should be left in there to help block the leak as much as possible. Please follow the step-by-step instructions on the tyre sealant container and call BMW Roadside Assistance, a qualified service partner or a specialist workshop if you're unable to put the tyre back into operation. Park on a safe part of the road and employ your warning triangle if you're attempting a repair at night. Shake the tyre sealant container. Push the sealant container into the bracket on the compressor until it engages. Screw the filler hose of the sealant container onto the tyre valve of the faulty wheel. Insert the plug into the 12-volt socket located inside the vehicle. There is one in the boot for the rear tyres and one in the centre console for the front two tyres. Start the vehicle, then switch on the compressor. Run the compressor for approximately 10 minutes in order to let the sealing compound achieve a complete seal. The tyre inflation pressure may rise to 5 bar during the filling process. To be able to continue your journey, the tyre must be able to hold an inflation pressure of 2 bar or 29 psi. Please remember that it's critical that you don't exceed a speed of 80 kilometers an hour. And if the correct tyre pressure cannot be reached, please contact BMW Roadside Assistance. That brings us to the end of the third video. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to contact me here at South Yarra BMW if you have any further questions.